Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the app of Google Drive. Then in this list of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.